Hello, my name is Dina Kleiman. I'm a technical support engineer. Today's topic of discussion is upgrading SharePlex on Unix and Linux. In this video, we will discuss what information you need to have prior to the upgrade, parameter and licensing considerations, and go over the upgrade process. Please note, this video is for SharePlex version 6.0 and higher upgrade only. If you're also upgrading Oracle, or if your SharePlex version is pre-6.0, please refer to the SharePlex for Oracle Upgrade Guide for more information. Prior to starting the upgrade process, you will need the following information: location of the installation directories, the product directory, and the variable data directory, also known as prod_dir and var_dir. SharePlex installation owner. The easiest way to find the name of the owner is to look in your SharePlex product directory for the owner of the binaries. You will also need to know your Oracle SID and Oracle Home and SharePlex admin group name that correspond to the system under upgrade. An easy way to locate the correct Oracle SID, Oracle Home, and the admin group name is to look in a file named defaults.yaml, which is located in your product data directory. You will also need to know the SharePlex communications port number, also known as spcop_t port. This information is stored in your SPSys var_dir data paramdb file. Please note, if upgrading on Linux from a version of SharePlex prior to 7.0, you will need to contact for a new license. Failure to do so could result in invalidated SharePlex license key. Prior to beginning the upgrade, look in SP-Control List Paramall Capture to see whether SP-OCT Replicate All DDL is set to 1. If so, set it to 0, as DDLs generated by Aura setup can cause issues. You may set it back to 1 once the upgrade completes. Please refer to the reference guide for more information regarding this parameter. You will also need to review a file named vardirs.log. It is located in the prod_dir bin directory. Note that during the upgrade process, all of the valid variable directories listed in the vardirs.log file will be upgraded regardless of which variable data directory location is provided. And finally, ensure that you're logged into the Unix server as the SharePlex installation owner. This would be the owner of the SharePlex binaries that you noted in the previous slide. You can issue the ID command on Unix to verify the user that you're currently logged in as and make sure it is the same user that owns the SharePlex binaries. The install file is referred to as the TPM file and is named using the following convention: SharePlex, release number, Oracle version, platform.tpm. For example, SharePlex version 7.6 for Oracle 10G running on Sun with a Spark processor would be named SharePlex 763B19, that's the build number, Oracle 10.0 Sun 8 Spark M64.tpm. Copy the appropriate TPM file to a temporary directory where you have write permissions. Then change the permissions of the installation TPM file to executable using the chmod 555 command. As the SharePlex admin user, shut down SharePlex on the system that you're upgrading. Log into SP-Control and issue shutdown. Verify that all SharePlex processes have shut down using the ps-ef grep sp_ command. Then execute the dpm file using the / and then the full name of the TPM file. Follow the prompts that guide you through the upgrade process. Please note, as we mentioned earlier, during the upgrade process, all of the valid variable directories contained in the vardars.log file will be upgraded, regardless of which variable directory location is provided. When prompted, select your upgrade directory, admin group name, and then select the Oracle SID and Oracle Home, and finally verify that the information entered on the previous steps was correct, and if so, enter yes to proceed with the upgrade or no to answer these questions again. When the upgrade is complete, the installer will exit after displaying the location of the install log file. This file will be located in the hidden .shareplex directory under the user's home directory, and it will be named install shareplex.log. The binary upgrade is now complete. Now we will need to execute part 2 of the upgrade process, the running of Aura setup, which will upgrade SharePlex internal tables. First, export the SPSys Vardar environment variable that corresponds to the variable data directory used in this upgrade procedure. Then execute Aura setup. The Aura setup binary is located in prodder bin. You will need to know the name and password for the DBA user and also the name and password for your current SharePlex user. Please note, the DBA user you specify cannot be the same user that SharePlex uses, even though the SharePlex user does have DBA privileges. When prompted to create a new SharePlex user, enter No and select your current SharePlex user. Once Aura setup completes, you will see a message, Setup completed successfully. If you're upgrading multiple variable locations, repeat the process by setting SPSys Vardar to the other location and rerun Aura setup using the SharePlex Oracle user that belongs to this particular stream. The upgrade process is now complete. You can start SharePlex, and if in the beginning of the process you have disabled SPOCT Replicate All DDL, enable it now by setting it back to 1. We hope this upgrade video will help expedite your SharePlex upgrade. Please check out our other videos on specific SharePlex features and have a wonderful day.